Jai student, today we are going to discuss the some another case study in the chapter emerging mode of the business. The case study on your screen that the woman has recently joined a popular insurance company in Jharkhand as a business development manager, and the entire process of his requirement selection and orientations training was conducted online. Even after joining, he has been given an option to work from where he is and at his own speed at the time convenes twice a week. He participates monthly meeting of business development manager from his various branch of a company where he held online via tel or video conferencing. So identify explain the components of e-business being described above. मीन्स जो विवन है वो रिसेंटली क्या कहते हैं पॉपुलर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को ज्वाइन करता है इन झारखंड एज अ बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर. जो इंटायर प्रोसेस रिक्रूटमेंट का सिलेक्शन का ओरिएंटेशन का ट्रेनिंग व कंडक्ट ऑनलाइन हुआ. इवन आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग ही हैज़ बीन गिवन ऑप्शन टू वर्क फ्रॉम वेयर ही इज़. ये भी ऑप्शंस उसको दिया गया. एट हिज ओन स्पीड टाइम कन्वेंस ट्वाइस अ वीक. ही पार्टिसिपेट मंथली मीटिंग ऑफ बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर फॉर वेरियस ब्रांच में ये मीटिंग भी हेल्प करता था वाया टेलीकॉन्फ्रेंस वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस. सो आइडेंटिफाई द एक्सप्लेन द कंपोनेंट ऑफ ई बिजनेस बीइंग डिस्क्राइब हियर. The right answer is intra B. Intra B is the commerce is component of e-business which is being described above. It is related to electronic transaction through the use of intranet of managing interactions and dealing among various department person with the firm. मीन्स ये रिलेटेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांजेक्शन का थ्रू यूजेस ऑफ इंटरनेट मैनेजिंग interactions and dealing among various department and person with the firm. So intra B commerce facilitate flexible manufacturing through the closer computer based interactions among the other department in the help firm make the inventory and cash management efficient, increase the productivity, plant machinery, ensure effective handling of customer orders, so on. So workflow is efficient and decision making is faster due to the better coordinations within among the different organization unit as they were well being informed. And B2E commerce refer to the firm interaction with the employee. These days are various aspects like person recruitment, interview, selections, training, development, education, sending reports, and via e-commerce so that management can have them all real-time basis. So virtual private network technology would means that employee can work from the where they are and their own speed and time convenience. The meeting can be held online via tele and video conference. Next, next question. OLX founded year 2006 as Argentinian global online marketplace, which is operating in 45 countries. OLX become vernacular of selling in India in the form of OLX Pay based day. And OLX Kardo and OLX it about 90% listening in India came from used mobile and electronic item, used home and household goods, and used car and bike. In the year 2016, OLX said about 72% of all used cars sold monthly in India were from transactions on its website. Identify, explain the component of e-business being described above. The the right answer is C2C. Customer is component of e-business which is being described above. It refers to transactions between the two customers. First, C2C is most suitable for dealing in goods for which there is no stable market mechanism. An excellent example of this is found of eBay, OLX portal for selling used books, electronic cloth, etc. And Payball as a payment intermediate is a good example of C2C commerce which allow the buyer to send the money to Payball instead of purchasing item directly from unknown untrusted seller and also notify the seller that they will hold the money for them until the goods have been shipped and accepted by the buyer. Thank you.